Welcome back to my toy reviews. I was digging through a box in my storage unit last week. Pulled out some Britain stuff. I don't think I've actually reviewed any of this stuff yet, so I'll do it today. This one here, this set is the first Britain's toy I actually bought. And I bought it in a Toys and Wheels store in the Hillside Mall in Victoria, BC in about 1987 or 88, I think 88 more like it. It was kind of in the up front in the window as you walked through the mall, so it kind of caught my eye. I made a couple of visits to the store, humming and hawing about the price because it was around 24 bucks. And finally, after a couple of visits, I broke down and went in and bought it. Actually, after that, after buying this one, I never did see another green Land Rover till much later. The only ones I saw were the blue ones in Pine Lodge Stables colors. So I don't think they discontinued it, but it didn't appear with the set anymore. So I'll take it out of the box and give you a look. This one here is the Beaufort double horse box and trailer. Beaufort double horse box trailer, made in England. Britain's Limited, copyright 1979. I was thinking of the Rice pony trailer, but I think that was Corgi that used the Rice one. This is quite attractive though. It's got a poster on the side and a sticker. Royal Horse Show in Gymkhana, June 10th. Tickets available at entrance. It's got the Percheron horse in it. A lot of the advertisements for this toy said it included a hunter horse, and later the model did come with a hunter horse. So I like the Percheron better though. This is a hunter horse. Guess it's a nice casting, but I still like the Percheron. Now the Land Rover. This is actually my favorite color in the Land Rovers. Pine Lodge Stables on each door. Spring suspension, spare, mirrors. Sticker grill, still pretty decent shape. BTN 76, Britain 76. Copyright for this model is 75. Got a red shirted driver. Yeah, they had some nice Land Rovers, Britons. This was a set number 9593. the back of the box, it's got some other models pictured. Farm shed, trees, tractors, trailer, combine. There's the set here with the blue Land Rover for Pine Lodge Stables, and then the Pine Lodge Stables building here. There's a Unimog. So, Britain's Limited, 1980. Very nice set. Here's the same set, but an earlier one with an earlier horse box. But it does have the blue Pine Lodge Stables Land Rover. And we'll see the back here. It's a Ford 6600 tractor and tipper trailer, rear dump. There's the horse box and the Land Rover. The box is dated 73, so I'd gather that's the style of the box, because the Land Rovers, the short wheelbases, weren't copyrighted till 1975, so maybe it's just the box design that's dated there. Anyways, I'll open this up and give you a look. I always hated these plastic liners in the boxes, but when I think about it, over the years, they actually keep the models better than the cardboard ones. Because if you're taking them in and out, cardboard gets a lot of wear and tear. These things can crack, but if you take care of them, they seem to last. There's the horse box. Land Rover. See the difference in the Beaufort in this one. Door that opens here, no ramp. Rear ramp opens. And again, I've seen this one advertised with the Hunter horse, but I put the Suffolk mare. She's a beauty. She was. She deserves a ride in this trailer, I guess. This trailer appeared originally with the long wheelbase Land Rover in '68. So it's got stabilizers like the Beaufort. It actually worked better than the Beaufort trailer, I think. And the Land Rover. Pine Lodge Stables. This one's got a green shirted driver. Actually, the pants are the same color in these figures. They just do it all one. Plastic's that color, and then they just put the flesh tone and the hair color on, and the shoes. Girl's in pretty good shape. Suspension. the N76. Dusty windshield. Nice model though. That's 9573, whereas the Beaufort trailer in Land Rover was 9593. And we got another Land Rover here in the box, without a window in the box. Something I have to replace. This one's got the Britain's Farm stickers on the doors. Same features: springs, mirrors, windows. This one's got a blue shirted driver. Same stuff. Pretty nice shape. Bottom of the box shows some other models in the series. Back of the box shows the military, Land Rover, police, zoo, and the farm. Now we'll show a couple of tractors to you. This one here is the Fordson Major. Number 128F in the Britain series. And it was in the series from 1948 to 1959. There was a rubber tired version, which this one is. And then the one with the sputted wheels, spiked wheels, which I showed in a earlier video about log trailers, Britain's log trailers. This is a nice one. When I got it, the exhaust stack was broken. This one was bent, but I straightened it out, and the Clevis drawbar was snapped off, so I made a new one out of a brass picture hanger. Seems to do the trick. And the exhaust was a spare part from Steve Flowers. It was just a matter of getting rid of the old one, what remained of it, and putting the new one in, painting it. And then it had has a hollow cast driver. Missing an arm, which I have on order to replace. I love that tractor though. This is the first one in their series of tractors. In 48, they never made the next model was a Fordson New Major in 1959. So there's that. And there's this one that is far from perfect. Needs some new parts. Got the transport box. I've got that hooked on the back. That transport box was a set in itself. Came in this box. Tipping transport box and loads for use with Britain's Fordson Super Major tractors. So I couldn't find an exact date for this, but I think it's around 1964 or a little earlier when it came out. And it came with what's in that box, plus this, which I put in this trailer. So all this came with that set. Only problem is I took it all out of here because if you look at the holes in that inner liner, the feed bags were melting into the plastic. So I took everything out, peeled the melted plastic off the feed bags. Just keep them out of there. It's the same effect, wheels to the tires on that tractor, and the British Infantry and the Swappets line. Their picks and shovels that were on their backpacks melted into the backpack. Some of them completely disappeared. So if you have those figures and they still have the implements on the back, I'd take them off, because eventually they're just going to melt. Anyways, this is the Ford 5000. Needs a little work for sure. It needs a new sticker here. Jeweled lights are still there. Needs some side stickers or decals for the Ford 5000. Brighten it up a bit. I don't know if I'll touch the paint up. I don't think I will. But I did order new hubs. Just got to figure out how to change them when I get them. And exhaust and air cleaner need to be replaced as they're snapped off. But the lift still brings it up so you can run around with it. Got another tractor here. It's the Fordson Super Major. You can just make it out there on the surviving decal. This one's pretty well gone. I've got replacements ordered for this. So, other than that, I mean, there's paint chips, but rear lift operate. It's got the drawbar, no pin. But I've been using these little split pins from the hardware store. That'll hold your trailer on or whatever you want to pull with it. The lever works good. Luckily these old ones, they had metal hubs, so there was none of that crap with the melting plastic. Exhaust detail here. No wonder they went to stacks on these things. They must have got pretty stinky with these exhausts on the bottom here. Steering wheel steers. See the linkage moving there? Now originally the Super Major had lights on the sides of the front here, and they were in orange plastic. And then I think that lasted about a year, and they redesigned it, probably because the real tractor changed to a sticker with the headlights in the grill. I love these Fordsons. This will pull anything Britain's made. All the implements can hook up and be lifted up onto the back. The 3-point hitch. There goes that pin. So you see this this notch right here. Just wait, no. This implement here is what they call the mule dozer. It's just a plow. Slides into there. Works pretty good, that. Another implement I had. It's a disc harrow. Number 9534. The original number for this implement was 135F, and it was in the line from 1950 to 1966, probably later than that. Then the number was changed at some point, probably 1967 or 66, somewhere in there. That's when they changed a lot of their numbers. Looks pretty good at the back end of that tractor. And you can swing the discs. Either way, and then you can change how you cover the ground, or how you disc the ground, I guess. So all in all, some nice toys from Britton's. Really all you can say about it is they don't make them like this anymore. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.